What if walking into your kitchen felt like stepping into a cozy hug? It would be a cozy haven where traditional functionality and rustic charm coexist. The Rustic Farmhouse Country Kitchen is a way of life rather than merely a fashion statement. Here's how to make your space the center of attention in your home while retaining that timeless rustic charm. The beauty of natural materials is what makes rustic kitchens so appealing. Consider faded finishes that evoke memories of bygone eras, stone countertops, and repurposed wood beams. Your kitchen will feel warm and inviting thanks to these textures. A sturdy, weathered farmhouse table isn't just furniture, it's where memories are made. Pair it with mismatched wooden chairs or a bench for a laid-back, welcoming look. Bonus points for a linen runner and fresh-picked flowers as the centerpiece. No farmhouse kitchen is complete without an apron front sink. These deep, practical sinks bring both utility and charm to the space. Complement it with an antique-style faucet in brushed nickel or brass. Country kitchens thrive on character. Incorporate vintage signs, a hanging pot rack, or antique kitchen tools displayed on the walls. Even an old milk jug can double as a vase for fresh wildflowers. Fresh herbs in terracotta pots or a small indoor garden add life and authenticity to your farmhouse kitchen. Think basil, thyme, or lavender placed near a sunlit window. Your kitchen is more than a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. By blending natural materials, thoughtful design elements, and personal touches, your rustic farmhouse kitchen becomes a warm, inviting space for family and friends. Subscribe to *** Farmhouse Bliss *** for more inspiring home ideas. And don't forget to like this video if you're ready to bring this cozy country charm into your life.